Namaste friends, my name is Nisha Thakur and in this series I am going to show you how to solve inequalities. And we are solving now non-linear inequalities. Already done two questions in two videos and today I am going to show you how to solve non-linear inequalities involving a quotient form. It means here like in fraction. Okay, same rule we will follow, same guidelines we will follow here. Move all terms to one side, then factor, then find out intervals, then choose a number from intervals and make a table for sign and then solve. So same process, just a little bit different. Move all terms to left hand side. So here 1 plus x upon 1 minus x minus 1. Okay, 1 here this side, so minus 1. Or we can say subtract both sides 1. So it will be 0. Now we can solve just like a fraction. So for this we have to make same denominator. It means here multiply with 1 minus x. 1 plus x upon 1 minus x minus 1 minus x upon 1 minus x greater than or equal to 0. Now here same denominator. So here we can easily subtract numerator. 1 plus x minus multiply with this minus 1 plus x greater than or equal to 0. 1 cancel, we combine like terms, so 2x 1 minus x greater than or equal to 0. The factors of left hand side are 2x and 1 minus x. These are 0 when x is equal to 0 and 1. So these numbers divide the real line into the intervals. X can be 0 or 1 when these factors 0. Okay, so here number line, this is 0 and this is 1. Intervals are minus infinity to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to infinity. Okay. Now we make the following diagram using test points to determine the search of each factor in the interval. 0, 1. Now here 2x, 1 minus x and then 2x upon 1 minus x. Here this is vertical line. Now here we can separate it and choose here value. So here we can put x is equal to minus 1, x can be 0.5 and from here this we can choose 2. What is the interval here? Minus infinity to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to infinity. Okay, all information here. When we put x is equal to minus 1 here, we get minus, answer is in minus. When we put positive value, we get positive. When we put x value 2, it means positive. So answer is in positive. X is equal to minus 1 minus minus plus 1 plus 1 2, which is positive. 0.5, 1 minus 0.5, it is positive. 1 minus 2 is minus 1, so minus answer. And when we divide, because 2x upon 1 minus x, So answer is in negative, this is positive, this is negative. Okay. Now our question was this one, greater than or equal to 0, right? It means this is positive. It means our answer between this interval 0 to 1. Let's check 0 and 1, which include, which not include. So for this, from the diagram this, we see that 2x 1 minus x greater than or equal to 0, right? So this is positive value. For x in the interval 0 1, we include the endpoint 0, because the original quantity requires the quotient be greater than or equal to 1. This one, right? So we can choose here this 0. But we can't put here x is equal to 1, because when we put 1, it will not defined, right? So our answer is 0, which is include, and 1 not include. It means this is include, but this is exclude. Okay. Your answer can be 0 to 1, or here 0 include and 1 not include. So the solution set is the interval 0, 1, where 0 include but 1 not include. Okay. And yeah, that's it. Very easy question, isn't it? If you liked my video, so please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. Have a nice time.